my channel. Say hi, guys. Oh, Pearl. One sec. Oh my goodness. You're such a flyer. Yes, you are, baby. Yes, you are, babies. Oh, yes, you are. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I was just a little curious. Come on. Come on, Jen. Whoa, buddy, no. Oh, I wish they could see this. Oh, this has been cracking up. Hey, come here, Pearl. We need to show you them. Pickle, Pickle. Hey. No, 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 no. Okay, that was not what I was expecting, but okay. Guys, calm it down. Calm your horses. Where's Pickle? Pickle! Here he is. Okay. Okay, babies. I know it's hard, but I got something new for you. I got something new. So, today, I'm going to show you how to clip their baby wings. Pickle. But not yours. Not yours, Pickle. Okay. Who wants to go first? Why, okay. No, not Pearl. We're going to give you the trim first. Say hi, Peach. Okay. So for wing trimming, you just need scissors, and that's it. Come on. So first, I'm just gonna trim this one. It doesn't hurt them. And that's it. Come on, other wing. And this other one. Hey, come here. And I'm gonna show you on the other one. Pearl. Peach, get over. You stinging bird. Get over here. Oh my. Ow. I'm gonna clip this. Oh, come on, baby. There you go. Now see, not as well as before, huh? Well, a little bit. I said you. Oh, stop. Oh my goodness, what? I'm not even doing anything. So these. Cut it out. She's like, I'm not letting you cut my wings. I'm not letting you trim my wings. Clip my wings. Clip my wings. No, 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 no. She can't even fly. But she still has one more to go. And then see how she flies. Go up. Come on. Not that well. And third, it's Pickle. Pickle, my baby, come here. Pickle, oh my goodness. second he was doing this. So this flight feather he lost, so we're not gonna clip this wing. This is what it should look like. This is what a full wing should look like, but not a very full wing. Pearl's was the biggest. The biggest feather in the front is the one you should clip. And that's done. See how you fly. Not well, huh? What's this? A gray feather. That kind of greenish. See right there? Yeah. Whoa! Oh my goodness, I hope that doesn't fall. As you know, I'm a bird fan. That's right. That's right. Let's see. Say hi. Say hi out there, bird lovers. Come here, Pickle. Peach, Pearl, and Pickle. I want Pickle. Say bye-bye. Kiss it. Kiss it. Oh, good boy. And also I was going to teach you also how to do the how to draw a bird. No, actually no. That was it. Bye.